Welcome to my Mr. Aditya Tyagi YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you 5 headline writing tips for more traffic and clicks. Are you also wondering what to do so that readers click on your articles? So for this it is very important to have a powerful headline, so that any reader will click on your article. Friends, today I am going to tell you 12 headline writing tips, with the help of which you will be able to bring more visitors by clicking on your website. As we all know that whenever someone writes an article, there is a lot of research and hard work in it, and everyone wants that in return for this hard work, a good traffic comes to his website. But the truth is that only by researching the article and publishing it, people will not read your article. About 6 out of 10 people before sharing an article see its headline whether it is attractive or not, and about 49% of them are such people who read your article. So what should a content creator do in such a situation? There is a connection between the headline of any article and the interest of the people, whether people are excited to click on that article or not. And this is known from the headline of that article. Just writing a strong headline is not enough to bring traffic to any article, but a lot of data and studies have shown that a good headline plays an important role in bringing traffic to any article. Let us now tell you some such headline writing tips that will force any reader to click on your article. 5 tips to write click-worthy headlines. Your headline makes any reader eager to read your article and click on it, and we all know how important it is to create curiosity in anything. Being average in anything is not better than being bad in it. If traffic is not coming to your website, then there can be 2 reasons for that. Your headline writing is either exceptional or it is such that it cannot be easily remembered, i.e. it is forgettable. Below I have listed some tips and methods for you so that your headline can move from an average and poor category to a click-worthy and readers' attention-grabbing category. 1. Look at Google search results. Once you do research on the keyword on which you are planning to write your article, then look at the articles against which you are competing. That is, what other bloggers are writing about this topic and how can you give something different from them to your readers in your article, and you can see all this on the search engine result page. SERP. Now let's know what you want to see in SERP. How can your content stay in competition? What is the intention of the user? How did you write articles? Does your article have commercial content or not? If you want your article to rank on the first page and if you want to be a serious competitor, then you should have complete knowledge about what kind of content is already available on the internet. If you keep all these things in your mind, then only you will be able to rank on the first page. To build an emotional connection. Emotional headlines are much better than neutral headlines. It builds a good connection with you. Using powerful words to arouse emotions in your readers creates curiosity, fear, or the desire to read more in the reader, and this increases the first impression of your content. Best emotional headlines target all these things: happiness, love, fear, anger, disgust, affirmation, hope. However, you should be careful when using emotional headlines because you also don't want to fall into the clickbait trap to fulfill what you have promised to your readers. If someone came to the website by clicking on your title and then came to know that this is not all that he clicked for, then he will cut off and leave so that Google thinks that the user is not on this website. If so, instead the rank of the website goes down. Read this for more information. 3. Use names for this headline writing trick. You have to choose such names which are well known to your target audience and which your audience knows well. You can take the names of brands as well as powerful logos in this because brands are as powerful as people are. For example, when you are creating any content related to SEO, then using the word Google in it will increase its chances that you will get more clicks on that article. In the same way, even if you use the name of Narendra Modi, you will get click. So these names which I have taken above are known as a widely recognized brand in the industry. The name you choose in your headlines should be according to your specific brand, lest you are talking about some other topic and you are taking the name of a different brand or person as an example in them. 4. Tell your readers clear benefits. You have to always keep this thing in your mind that whenever a reader is clicking on any article, then the question is going on in his mind that why should I click on this article? What do I get from this? So here you have to keep in mind that your headline can clearly tell your readers what benefits they will get from this article. High-performing content meets one or more of these objectives: entertain, engage, empower, enrich, educate, inform, inspire, answer a question, provide a solution. When any reader clicks on your article and decides to invest his time and attention in your article, he already makes expectations according to your headline and finds the same thing in your article that you have promised him. So that is why tell your readers their benefits very clearly, and also keep in mind that you do not overpromise their. 5. Optimize for humans and search. Your first priority should be optimization so that your readers can easily find your content and want to click on your articles. And your second priority should be optimization for the search engine, and it should also be optimized specifically according to Google. The good news here is that humans and search engines generally agree on what they like to read, because Google also shows you the same results that many people like and which are most relevant. It contains the following content: accurate, comprehensive, creditable, engaging, high quality, informative, specific, unique, useful, valuable. Also, to optimize your primary keyword for Google, be sure to add it to the title of your article so that it is easier for people to find your content while searching. If you are using WordPress, then tools like SEO, Yoast SEO and Rank Math SEO are great SEO-based plugins that let you do an inbuilt analysis of your headline writing, SEO rating, as well as the entire post. Whenever we use a plugin to write a post, then we get signals in red and green on it, and if all the signals are lost, that means we have corrected the SEO of our post. This is the information about how to make all signals green in Yoast SEO plugin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.